You've entered about 0 instances recently and are approaching the 10 instance per hour limit for your account.
Yeah, we have to wait an hour.
No, we just do randoms now. That's such
Watch it be this. Oh.
Oh, Zugzug.
We can still speed run this one pretty quickly. Just grab the quest.
My inventory's full. Delete. I wish I had more than 3 bags that were all 6 slots.
Bought all 22 slots.
I have 2 6 slots and then my normal backpack. Go, 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 go. Come on. Speed run. Ooh, what else?
Scares the shit out of me.
Ooh, what else?
The fucking warthog. The fuck was that?
God damn, go away, hiccups.
Yeah, you gotta get scared. Have someone scare you. That's how you get rid of hiccups. No joke.
Because he just listens to you on hiccups.
Did it work?